Hey there, my fellow tech enthusiasts. If you're looking for a reliable and high-performance tablet that won't break the bank, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm thrilled to introduce you to the Lenovo XiaoXinPad 2024 tablet. This sleek and stylish tablet is equipped with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage, ensuring that you have plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. The Qualcomm Snapdragon 685 Octa Core processor delivers lightning-fast performance, allowing you to seamlessly multitask and run your favorite apps with ease. But that's not all. The 11-inch screen provides a stunning display for all your media and gaming needs, and with GPS and Wi-Fi capabilities, you can stay connected and navigate with ease. And with the power of Android tags, you'll have access to a world of apps and customization options at your fingertips. But what really sets the Lenovo XiaoXinPad 2024 apart is its eye care technology. This tablet is designed to reduce eye strain and fatigue, making it perfect for extended use without discomfort. Whether you're working, studying, or simply enjoying some downtime, you can do so with peace of mind knowing that your eyes are being taken care of. So why wait? Upgrade your tech game today with the Lenovo XiaoXinPad 2024 tablet. Just check the link in the description to get your hands on this incredible device. Trust me, you won't regret it. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you found this review helpful. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping.